If you want more views on YouTube, your title is one of the most important things. In this video, I'll show you how to write YouTube titles that get clicks. A lot of beginners make one mistake. They write titles that are either too long, confusing, or not interesting enough to click. For example, titles like this are too vague and won't attract viewers. When people scroll YouTube, they decide in less than a second whether a title is worth clicking. So your title needs to hook them immediately with something irresistible. Let's see how it works. So the goal is simple. Your title should quickly tell viewers what they will get from the video. Step 1 is focusing on one clear promise. Your title should answer one simple question. Step 2 is keeping your titles simple and easy to understand. For example, compare this long, complicated title on the left to the short, clear one on the right. The simpler title is much more effective. Step 3 is using strong keywords people are already searching for. Before writing your title, check what viewers type into the search bar. If your video understands your content faster and recommends it to more people. Step 4 is creating curiosity without being misleading. Your title should make people interested enough to click, but still clearly explain what they will get because they trigger a small mystery in the viewer's mind. Step 5 is making sure your title works together with your thumbnail. Let me show you in the preview. The title and thumbnail should complement each other. When your title is clear, simple, and interesting, more people will stop scrolling and click your video. So remember, focus on one promise, keep titles simple, use searchable keywords, and pair them with a strong thumbnail. If you want more simple YouTube growth tips and AI tutorials, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.